Okay, we just started here on the Air Force Base here in Biloxi. Just got a pickup
Just ahead, turn right on L Street.
at one of the dorms just after 3 o'clock, like I like to start.
Turn right on L Street.
I work till about 5 o'clock. Get a couple hours in. Can't really film here on the base.
Turn left on X Street.
Alright, you can see the Google map, I guess. Okay, we just did our first ride. That was a $27.85 ride. We picked up Shayna from the base, brought her over to Barnes & Noble bookstore here in Gulfport, and now we're sitting here waiting for another ride. Just gonna drive around Gulfport now that I got the cameras up. Let's see where the Tesla could take us next. Yeah, I tried to turn on DoorDash and there's just nothing. Dash Now isn't even available. It says to schedule. I can schedule at 4, which is in 20 minutes. But Gulfport's not even listed in the schedule. I don't know what the deal is. If I'm doing something wrong or it's just this area that's very unpopular. I get it, it's not really dinner time, but they have other stuff, right? Shopping, whatnot. So we're gonna stick with Uber today, turn DoorDash off, and we're just gonna hang out and do whatever Uber gives us.
Pick up Larry on the left.
Larry on the left. Oh. There you are. How's it going? Okay, yeah, there you go. There it is. Good. How's it going?
Pretty good. Sold my damn car, so
Oh, yeah?
I need a ride.
Nice.
Yeah. It's nice, man. It's the first time I've been in one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you opened the door.
Yeah, me too.
Everybody has trouble with that.
Yeah.
You don't care if it drives itself, do you?
Hey, man, do it.
Alright. What'd you sell?
It's a 2014 Nissan 370Z Nismo.
Neat. Nice.
It's all nice, though. I like it. Simple, you know what I mean? But
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Not cluttered with
Oh, yeah.
junk.
Buttons everywhere.
So,
No buttons anywhere. Now they even took these off, the stalks.
yeah.
It just knows where you want to go, back or forth.
Huh.
If you're in a parking space or at a wall, it knows you want to go reverse.
Yeah. How long do you have to sit at the charging station?
Well, I have a fresh battery every morning, so I get like 350 miles. And if I'm on a road trip, maybe about 15 to 40 minutes. It depends on it just calculates everything to the most efficient way or least time at a station. So it could be 5 to 15 minutes. Could be up to 40, 45 minutes. But, take over and give it a little, make sure it gets out of the way first. You never been in one of these, huh?
Uh-uh.
Pretty quick.
That's what I've heard.
I'll show you a little boost if you want.
Go for it.
Alright.
I ain't scared.
A little bit.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, you wouldn't think it. It's from the Prius days.
Right.
crazy.
Yeah, he's it's kind of strange dude, but dude is absolutely brilliant.
Oh yeah. Insane.
I'm surprised it's the roof holds out the heat as well as it does.
Yeah, it's hot sometimes when you touch it, but it doesn't radiate.
Yeah. What kind of maintenance you got with this?
Virtually none. I don't use the brakes. It's just one pedal driving.
Yeah.
So. Oh my god, some motorcyclists get hurt.
Yep. He's right, but Ford is up here that way.
Okay.
Drop off Larry on the left.
All right, Larry. It's good talking to you.
Yeah, man.
Have a good
Appreciate
day.
the ride, the experience.
Yeah, you know how to get out?
I'm gonna push that button and see what happens.
Yeah. You got it. Just push as you push the door open. There you go. All right, man.
Yeah, well.
All right, have a good one. So we're now at $38.59. For the next one. All right, just got a trip for a food delivery. Going to Firehouse Subs on Beauvoir. I was just playing around with the app, trying to see if I could filter just food deliveries, and I found where you can.
Turn left on Pass Ring.
But I'm making some good money with the rides, so I'm going to keep that on as well. There's Jimmy John's. Firehouse Subs. It's right there. Who am I picking up for?
Pick up on the left.
Hey, how's it going?
Do you ever pick up or place an order?
I'll pick up for Michelle.
I do not have a Michelle.
For DoorDash or Uber Eats. Is this Beauvoir Road? Yeah.
I don't have one.
Is 296 Beauvoir? It's for Uber Eats. No? Okay.
Not even in the computer either.
All right.
You want regular mayonnaise? Or just
No,
okay. Yeah. Which one you want?
Okay. Well, had to cancel that because they didn't have the order. Yeah, I'm at the right place. Great, my first food pickup today, and it's not even there. I don't know, maybe she put the order in and then immediately canceled it. No idea what happened there. Oh well, it's canceled. I let her know by text that the restaurant did not have her order.
Turn right, then pick up Thomas on the right.
Hey, Thomas? No? Oh. Hmm.
She may know it yet.
Oh, yeah.
New message from Thomas. I'm at Treasure Island. Not sure what happened to the app.
Hey, I got it, man. Thanks.
Turn left, then turn left.
Hey, there you are. All right.
Hey, how you doing?
How's it going? Push that big part, pull the little part.
Oh, there we go. All this fancy new stuff.
Right.
Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, the app like jumped me somewhere else. I'm going, oh,
Yeah,
that's
I went to those,
lost.
a motel over there. Let's see. That. Biloxi Shuckers, the ball field?
Yep.
Okay. Navigate to Biloxi Shuckers.
Turn right on Beach Boulevard, then make a U-turn.
Let me know if you need more air conditioning or music or anything.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I've been eating seafood for like 2.5 hours.
Nice.
Need a nap.
Turn the seat heater on, put you to sleep.
And now it's $2 Yinglings at the game tonight.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Thursday night.
at least I have plenty in my stomach to soak up.
Sure, right. Good plan.
See,
And an Uber. Prepared.
see, I've got it all figured out.
Yeah, right.
Spend the morning in the pool. Not too bad. Yeah, it's
Nice.
not a bad day.
It's vacation right there.
Yep.
Just gonna let the car drive itself, if that's alright. You know who they're playing tonight?
Oh, Pensacola.
Pensacola. The Walkways.
Yep.
Just ahead, drop off Thomas.
I can take you into the parking lot. Get real close.
Actually, if you just want to pull where that Yolk place is,
Yeah.
you can just drop me off right there.
Okay.
I may walk down to Flat Mama real quick.
I got you.
I purposely come down here early so I have an excuse to go to the brewery.
Gotta find a reason.
Oh yeah.
All right, Thomas.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good one. Enjoy the game. Push the button.
Oh, this one?
Yep. And push open the door at the same time. There you go.
All right. Thanks.
All right. Take care. $50.58. It's about 12 minutes until I punch out. I'll give it till 5 o'clock and then head home. It's been kind of consistent without too much downtime. Well, Thomas did say that the app messed up. On the app, it told me to pick him up at some hotel apartments, but I got a text from him saying that the app messed up. He's actually at the casino across the street. So I don't know if it was him or the app. I just went across the street, picked him up, very easy. All right, we got 11 minutes left. See if we get any more calls. All right, it's 5 o'clock. That's the end of our day. We made $50.58. Thursday. Time for dinner. Let's get some DoorDash.